Hey guys, welcome back to another mukbang. Today we're having hamburger steak, sauteed onions and zucchini, mashed potatoes, garlic toast, and brown gravy. Cheers! Hope you're having a good day. Mine was okay. I did sweet treat Fridays for tomorrow. Today's Thursday because I'm going to work tomorrow, so I wanted to get that done. And then I made dinner, and that was about it. Oh, sorry. Would you like the first bite? Brown gravy is really good. If I could pour it on everything, I would. But it's probably not good for you. So, that's okay. How was your day today? I think I already asked you that. Never mind. Let's see. It looks good. There you go. Tomorrow night we're gonna have pizza. It's another Red Baron Supreme. Can't go wrong with that. So.
To help market gender transition treatments for children. The group says the Federal Trade Commission is acting out of what we call pure retaliation. The story is correspondent Alexander Hall.
The Federal Trade Commission, which typically focuses on commercial
The zucchini's really good. I saute it for a little bit in the pan with butter and spices and stuff, and then I turn off the burgers and I just let it sit for like 5 minutes. It's perfect. Perfect every time. I could probably just eat zucchini and be happy. Who else loves vegetables? Especially in the summertime when you have all the like corn, zucchini, asparagus. It's all good.
States that guidelines are informed by established scientific standards. Pushing back against the lawsuit, writing in part, the U.S. Federal Trade Commission is not.
And I got some garlic toast.
Last month, a federal judge temporarily blocked an FTC investigation into WPAT, making it so the nonprofit did not have to hand over internal communications. The judge found the commission's demand for documents to be overly broad. WPAT called the original investigation.
I like to sop up the brown gravy with the garlic toast.
Could prove an effective workaround, as the commission will no longer have to appeal for the right to investigate. They can jump right into allegations of deception. Right.
Thanks. Well, this is actually a momentous day for the future of college sports in this country. The Senate is looking at legislation affecting name, image, and likeness programs, NIL, active compensation, and transfers. Chief Congressional Correspondent Chat.
Tomorrow night we'll have pizza. And then I got a pot roast today from Kroger, of course. And so we'll have pot roast on Sunday for Father's Day.
A Senate panel approving a bipartisan game plan to fundamentally change college sports.
I think you'll like that.
The bill establishes a nationwide NIL payout framework. Action means money major programs outbid smaller schools, perhaps even for a future NFL MVP.
I'm worried that we'll never see a Josh.
It's really nice because it comes with everything.
The bill also restricts athletes.
It comes with the seasoning,
we have this.
the carrots, baby potatoes.
And we have
So this should be pretty good. And I got some beef stock. So
I've seen decade after decade how the NCAA has screwed athletes. And so we need to make sure there's firm athletic protections and not trust the NCAA to do it.
And former Auburn football coach, now Senator, christened the bill Obamacare for Sports.
We cannot run college sports. Congress should not decide how much money student athletes can earn.
There's concern the bill could undercut broadcasters and would complicate viewing.
The fans get hurt because all the content is behind a paywall.
The Big Ten and SEC never endorsed the bill. There's criticism that private equity aims to pool broadcast rights. That could divert the focus from safeguarding those who play.
Big deal. Chad Burton, live on Capitol Hill, Chad.
So I work tomorrow.
Well, the U.S. men's national team preparing for its seventh World Cup
Um,
match.
I don't usually bring my lunch, but I think I've decided to bring my lunch to work. I mean, a piece of pizza is only like $2 and something. You know, it adds up after a while. So I'm not going to spend any money unless I absolutely have to. Save every penny for a car. That's the goal. You know, pay my bills, of course, and then whatever's left.
In tomorrow's critical showdown with Australia. Head coach Mauricio Pochettino is due to hold a press conference here at Seattle Stadium, and I'm told he will address the Pulisic situation.
Just
now,
thinking about stuff.
On the training field with the team when we were with them earlier today. He was apparently working in the gym. That's the fourth straight day he's undergone modified training as he recovers from an injury. Now his absence would certainly be.
This had a good flavor to it. And I made an extra one. And I'm going to make a hamburger for tomorrow, so that'll be good. That will be good.
Yeah, I think obviously we win all the games, win the games, and even if we do win tomorrow, whatever the result is, just a game to play, and it won't be taken lightly at all. So, yeah, I think it's more of a job not done.
So if there's anything that you want to see, that you want me to do, you know, just let me know. If it's something to make, I'll make it.
It's all shaping up to be a great game, Brett. It's on Fox, of course, and I think there are many Australian and US fans who will be sleepless in Seattle.
I'm up for anything. I love the channel. I didn't think anybody would actually, you know, really watch me, because I'm not the exciting, bubbly, peppy type person. But you have, and I appreciate you. It gives me, like I said, something to do. I mean, I still have to eat, you know. Still have to make dinner.
And this is a live look at London. One of the big stories there tonight. Qantas Airways plans to launch the world's longest direct flight next year. It will be a 19 to 22-hour non-stop service between London and Sydney. The Sydney-based airline has unveiled the first of its specially modified Airbus jets that will regularly make.
I was gonna make the pizza tonight, but this really hit the spot. I mean, I could eat pizza every day, but my father can't.
More Americans turning special report than anywhere else.
many people have
We know that they cannot build a nuclear weapon.
normalized relations? Because you're very close. Everything gets closer. You think you'll get to phase 2? You've got to get.
So let me know what's been going on.
I do not hope so. The world is watching. I wanted to come here to come in and take a French because let's change the conversation. Is there any indication that you see that Vladimir Putin wants?
Couple more bites and then I think I'm finished.
I'm not doing it based on history. I'm doing it based on a deal. Prepare interviews that better looks. Why does Chicago have the highest murder rate of all the big cities?
Our murder rate, it has been cut in half over the last 4 years.
And I am sorry about the TV, but there's nothing I can do about that.
If we're gonna do this, we're sorry.
He can't hear. It's not funny, but I was trying to tell him what we were having for dinner. I said, hamburger steak? About 4 different times. So, I think the TV's all, his whole life right now.
So you only pay for what you need.
They say Test is great for remembering you can customize and save hundreds of car insurance. It's useful.
Sorry about that. My father just came in. You probably think I'm crazy. I'm just sitting here talking to my phone. So, I paused you for just a second. I'm going to take one last bite, and that'll be it. Oh, maybe one more. Excuse me.
This is the Mahindra rock sword, the side-by-side that doesn't play by the rules. The other guys think plastic and hacking. The rock sword rides with steel. They pull back on power. The rock sword packs a turbo diesel punch. And when they start breaking down, the rock sword barely broken in. The Mahindra rock sword, built like nothing else. Get up to 3,000 cashback or 0 for 36 with our limited time red, white, and blue summer savings.
Thank you for spending your time with me. Dinner was very good. Cleaned my plate. So, anyway, I'll see you in the next video.